Stop walking towards us! You will get stopped!
Today we will be looking at several cases where police officers had to use firearms to deal with the suspect. Let's dive into our first case. It all starts around 4 a.m. when the Anchorage Police Department received a phone call from a person saying there's a car, possibly stolen.
Anchorage Police Dispatch.
I have a vehicle parked on one of my properties, and it looks stolen. The columns busted out and everything.
Anybody in it?
I seen two gentlemen walk away from it and go into the hotel.
They went into the hotel?
Like 3 minutes ago.
Anchorage police arrived within 5 minutes. Shortly after, an adult exited the room and provided further information.
Where is he? Is he by the kids? Right up against the first wall. What does he have? What kind of weapons?
21 Alpha, we're going to need a 44. Our second suspect that is in the room is armed with a handgun. I'm not sure if the kids are free to go. Sounds like this might be a possible hostage.
Don't come in. Don't come in.
Come to us.
I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna fucking shoot.
He's got a gun.
He's got a gun. There's kids in. Don't shoot.
He's got a gun.
There's kids in. Close the door.
There's kids in the backdrop.
I can't. Get those kids out.
Close the door. Close the door.
The officers immediately called for backup. Few moments later, when the officers were waiting outside for further order, the suspect did something unexpected.
We hit that door, he's going to circle. No, breach! He's put the round in the door. Breach! Yes.
Round came through the door.
He's sitting, I know.
Rifle and shield up.
Go for the hinges. Now. Hinges are on that side. On the breach. I'm breaking the door. Shoot through the door. We need to get in. Shoot at us.
The suspect fired a shot through the door, which nearly struck an officer. Moments later, the suspect called 911. Here is the phone call recording.
I'm at the Hampton Hotel, and I got 5 hostages. And
Okay, just a moment, okay? Hold on. Police?
no, you guys are asking them to transfer me straight to you guys so you guys clear this shit up. Huh?
Police.
Y'all trying to make it seem like I'm doped out, which I just didn't like, but I already know. Because the some of me that got videos and pictures of you guys are fucking. You guys are coming in here knowing damn well there's a hostage situation, and I got a gun, and you guys still coming trying to run through the door in the hotel room.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, we're not saying that you're doped out.
No, you guys are setting me up. You guys just set up.
Okay. So nobody is coming in right now. Okay, Toy, I wanna let you know nobody is coming in right now. Right now, our biggest focus is trying to make sure that you're safe, that Auntie's safe, and that the kiddos are safe.
At approximately 9 a.m., officers through surveillance and audio monitoring observed that the suspect was being physical with the female hostage. Officers decided to breach the room to save the innocent lives.
They'll breach! They'll breach! They'll breach! They'll breach! They'll breach! Tools! You got tools!
There's an object in the way.
Keep going. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't do it! Don't do it!
Upon entry, they found the suspect lying between two beds, with the woman and a baby on top of him, using them as a shield. The suspect was identified as Puipuia Lipoi Alailua, a 41-year-old man. He had multiple prior charges, including attempted murder, felony assault, vehicle theft, providing false identity, and drug and weapons possession. All hostages were safely escorted out, but the suspect was later pronounced dead. Let's have a look at our next case. On the night of May 23, 2023, when Thomas May, a 44-year-old, called the police saying he saw James Harrison, his neighbor, outside his house, using a ladder to peer inside the window of his 15-year-old daughter's bedroom. Harrison fled when confronted. Police tried to serve the order that night, but couldn't locate Harrison. The next morning, 52-year-old James Harrison shot and killed his 83-year-old mother, Janet Harrison, inside her home. Immediately afterward, he walked next door and shot his neighbor, Thomas May, fatally wounding him on the front steps. Harrison also shot and seriously wounded May's 15-year-old daughter. Later that morning, Cranston police officers located Harrison's vehicle at St. Anne's Cemetery off Cranston Street. Harrison fled immediately, triggering a high-speed chase. The chase ended around 8:45 a.m. on Plainfield Pike near the Rhode Island Board of Elections building. Harrison lost control of his SUV after officers attempted a controlled stop. His vehicle crashed and was pinned in by police cruisers.
Hey! Don't you fucking move! Hey! Don't you fucking move! Show me your fucking hands! Hey! Show me your hands now!
Harrison opened the driver's door. He stepped partly out, then pointed his silver handgun directly toward officers. Officers immediately opened fire to stop the threat.
Hands up! Hands up! Please! Back up! Cuffs! Fuck!
Harrison was struck approximately 10 times, including twice in the head. He died at the scene. He killed his own mother and his neighbor, Thomas May. Luckily, Thomas May's 15-year-old daughter survived. Let's have a look at our next case. On Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024, Salt Lake Police received a 911 call from a gas station. An employee reported a man trying to stab him through a window with a weapon. Here's the phone call recording released by Salt Lake City Police Department.
911, what's your emergency?
There's a guy over here with a knife trying to stab me from the window.
Okay, where are you?
I'm here in Midtown 7.
Okay, and what's the phone number in case it disconnects? Okay, never mind. Where is he with the knife?
He's outside, trying to come in.
Is the door locked?
Yeah, it's locked. And he tried to stab me, so I hit his head.
He tried to stab you?
Police are coming.
No,
Yeah,
do not talk to him.
Drunk.
Don't talk to him, okay?
Yeah, okay.
What did you hit him in the head with?
No, not in the head. His hands that he's trying to stab me.
I understand,
From
but
the
you
window.
said you hit him. Where did you hit him?
In the hand where he was holding the knife. So
Okay.
I hit his hand with the bat.
How large is the knife?
Baseball bat. Right here, he's standing looking at me.
How large is the knife?
It's like a pocket knife.
Okay.
Police arrived at the gas station and found a guy holding a knife.
Put the knife down! Put the knife down! I can only ask you so many times, sir, please!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Hey!
Get on the ground!
Get
Stop, please!
right now!
Do not!
No! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Please don't make us do this, please!
Shoot you, come.
Please put the knife down!
We will fucking shoot you! Get on the fucking ground!
Stop! Get on the ground! Someone get a less lethal shotgun. Put it down, please!
You step forward, I
Don't!
will
You stop him!
shoot you!
Stop!
Get on the fucking
Stop!
ground! Get on
Get on the floor! Stop walking towards us! You will get shot!
Reports indicate they discharged approximately 15 rounds over a span of about 11 seconds. The suspect was later identified as Cameron Ammon Cloward, 35 to 36 years old. He had multiple previous charges, including assault on an officer, multiple parole violations, and an active warrant issued on February 14, 2024. This video was created solely for educational purposes, to illustrate how tough and critical situations are handled by law enforcement. Some images and visuals used in this video were generated using AI tools and may not depict real events or persons. Stay safe, stay informed, and respect the work of those who protect us.